Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your iPhone is updated and on the same Apple ID and Wi-Fi. This avoids account or network blocks. Once done, open the Home app to verify the HomePod Mini is listed. Next, you cut power. Unplug the HomePod Mini for 10 seconds and plug it back in. This clears transient errors and primes the device so the manual reset sequence will register correctly. You now perform the actual reset. Immediately after power returns, press and hold the top surface with steady pressure. Don't tap. The white spinning light appears first. This is normal. Continue holding through the color change until the light turns red and you hear a series of beeps. Siri may announce the reset. Keep holding until the final beep. Releasing too early cancels the factory restore and returns the unit to its prior state. When the beeps stop, the HomePod Mini is restored to factory settings. You should see it disappear from the Home app. If it still appears, remove the accessory and then re-add it to set up fresh. If the reset didn't take, repeat the unplug, wait, plug, and hold routine. This often fixes timing issues. Finally, make sure the outlet and cable work. If you still can't reset, contact Apple support for hardware diagnostics. There may be a failing power module.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.